Now, we're not going to use transforms extensively in this series, but we can do a quick search to see some examples. So I'm going to do a search for CSS transform, and let's go to the Mozilla page. It's showing up at the top, and there's some good examples here. So as we scroll down, you can see that there's several different ways that you can adjust the look of an element on the page. As we scroll down, you can see some examples. So what this is doing is moving this div 100 pixels and then rotating it 20 degrees. As we scroll down, we can see some other examples. In this one, it's using the matrix syntax in order to skew an element around. You can see some different examples of that here. And as you continue to scroll, you can see different properties that you can adjust. You can adjust the scale of an element. You can scale it along the x-axis, that's horizontally, or vertically with scale y. You can skew it along both of those axes as well. And you can also move it using translate. Now these transforms are more common to use during CSS animations, but occasionally they come in handy for other contexts, like the one that we're dealing with right now.